Rice water is good for your skin. Rice water will benefit your skin in the long run. Consistent use of rice water will give you flawless skin, wrinkle-free skin, younger looking skin, glassy looking skin. Hello guys, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. This is Yemi's Beautiful. We're all about skincare, DIYs, and what have you, anything about skincare, anything about beauty. Okay guys, on today's video we're going to be talking about rice water, a key secret to younger, clearer, wrinkle-free skin. Okay guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to hit that subscription button and also hit that thumbs up button. There's a bell icon there which you need to click on it so that anytime I put up a new video, it will automatically notify you. Okay guys, let's get right into this video. Rice water has a lot of skincare benefits and has gained massive attention in recent times. Yeah, rice water, I think, originated from this Asian women, yeah, Korean women. We've seen a lot of things, a lot of skincare regime. I would like to say, when it comes to skincare, for me, I don't think I need to do too much. So you don't need to do too much. You don't need chemicals on your skin. You don't need, but once in a while you could try it. But I feel you don't need to spend so much. You don't need to do too much on your skin. So rice water is devoid of chemicals and is suitable for all skin types, be it dry skin, oily skin, all types of skin here can benefit from rice water. When I mean rice water, I mean that water we throw away after cooking your rice or parboiling your rice. That's the rice water I mean. It's not something strange. Rice water is water from the rice you cooked. This rice water offers solution to a wide range of skin related issues, a lot, such as acne, such as dry skin, because it moisturizes your skin. It offers a whole lot. So let's talk a bit about rice water. Rice water is starchy. Rice water is not clear. Rice water is not expensive. Rice water is easy to prepare at home. Rice water will benefit your skin in the long run, especially for young women. Now you're still having this young looking skin. For you to enjoy still younger skin at 60, then rice water is what you need. Watch this video to the end so that you get to know some of the tips and tricks of how to use rice water to get younger looking skin even at the age of 60. Someone will ask, rice water, is it good for your skin? And the answer is yes. Rice water is good for your skin. It is good for your skin. The Asian people discovered this secret long time ago. Long time before we, now after how many years, decades, centuries, we are just discovering the secret of rice water. If you check out so many of their products, rice is one of the ingredients in their skincare products. So that should tell you a whole lot about rice. Imagine now, then rice water. Have you seen an Asian woman before? If you look at her skin, it's always flawless. It's always younger looking. It's fair. I'm not talking about the complexion now. I'm talking about how the skin is. Looks supple. Skin looks fair. All these blemishes are not there. It looks so young. Sometimes you just wonder whether they did let's say for the face, whether they did, or most of them don't even have this. So many of them, they don't have all these, wrinkles. Yeah. Have you noticed? Have you asked yourself, why is your skin like? Though you might say it's nature, but the secret is in their beauty products. Almost all their beauty products contain rice as an ingredient and milk. Yeah, milk is one of their ingredients too. So watch this video to the end. Don't jump so that you will not miss out on anything. Benefits of rice water on the skin. Let's hurry up, this video is getting long. The first of all will be, it has anti-aging benefits. The actual studies of rice water, but we'll not go into it because this video will be too long. Yeah, the rice water is loaded with antioxidants that maintains the elasticity of the skin and slows down the aging process. Slows down, I didn't say stops. It slows it down. You see a 50-year-old woman still looking like 35. Yeah. Do you know how old I am? If I tell you, you will not believe at all. Oh, but see me. Okay, so that's one of the benefits, anti-aging benefit. Yeah, superb. That's number one. Then it also has skin brightening. If you are prone to skin dullness, you have dullness of the skin, if no matter anything you use, then rice water is for it brightens the skin. Yeah, the skin brightening benefits. Yeah, Japanese and Korean products are being infused with rice water because it is believed that it minimizes blemishes, it minimizes the appearance of spots on their skin, thereby brightening their skin up. Rice water also suits sunburned skin. In my other video, I talked about it. Yeah, rice water suits sunburned skin. It helps to suit any skin that has been sunburned. Not the high, not the serious one or the mild ones. The mild ones, those ones that are red. Rice water is good for any inflammation on your skin, any redness on your skin. It helps calms it down. It calms it down, more or less like what aloe vera does to the skin. Calms down the skin. So rice water also helps that. Just apply it on any redness, any inflammation on your skin. Rice water tones the skin, it tightens the skin. It's very beneficial for people with oily skin. Rice water also acts as a natural barrier. We have some people that experience this atopic dermatitis. Yeah, people that have these frequent breakouts, as eczema, things that look like eczema, rashes. Rose water is also very good. It suits all those issues on the skin. There are different ways of how to make rice water. I said earlier that rice water preparation is very easy, and truly it is very easy. There are different ways, but I'm going to be mentioning just two on this video. The first one is the soaking method and the other one is the boiling method. The soaking method, ensure you wash your rice, any type of rice, white, brown, any type of rice, rinse it properly, and then 1 cup of rice to 3 cups of water, soak it for 30 minutes, drain it out. That water, you can refrigerate it for up to 1 week. While the boiling method, rinse your rice, parboil it. After boiling it, strain it out, ensure all your things, all the utensils you're using are clean. Strain the water out, allow it to cool before you refrigerate it. This can store in your freezer for 1 week max. After 1 week, you have to replace it. You cannot keep using it. And then what else? Store in a bottle inside your fridge, refrigerator. If you don't have lights, for those of us in this part of the world that we have issues with electricity, it can stay for just 24 hours. Throw it away and do another one. How to use? Just take your cotton wool, soak it in. You can use it as a facial mist or facial toner. Cleanse your face or apply it on your face. After 30 minutes, rinse it off. Use your normal moisturizer and what have you. That's how to. There's so many benefits of rice water. That's just the much we can go on this video. We've come to the end of this video, guys. It was nice. It was nice. Okay, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell for those of you that have not done that yet, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Please, guys, share. Bring me up my subscribe. I'm not even up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm looking for help, you girl out. Help you girl. Okay.